Hi everyone, I am Sudeshna. I am from Calcus Educational Institute, Master Trained in Vedic Maths. And today I am here to just teach you a very easy and simple logics how to do multiplications. Before starting our session, I just wanted to thank Sri Gampa Nageshwara sir for giving me this opportunity to share my knowledge in his Impact YouTube channel. Thank you so much sir for giving me this opportunity. And I am starting the session now. Yes, Vedic maths. The word itself says that this subject is being derived from our Vedas. Yes, and it is our subject and we should learn it. It is very easy for us to do the multiplications also if we learn this. Right. And now first topic is multiplication with 11. Yes. You may think that multiplication, ma'am, 11 table is very easy. Why you are doing this? I will tell one simple logic for this, how to do this. Yes, first problem I am taking 23 into 11. Right. Generally how we will do? 11 3s are 33, 3 carry on, 11 2s 22 plus 3 that is 25. 253 is the answer. But now I will tell you the way how we are going to do in Vedic maths. Right. I am not using any 11 table or anything. I am just adding the numbers whatever they are there. Yes, you know ones and tens places, right? First, write the ones place number as it is. Next, add these two numbers and write tens place number as it is. If you check, both the answers are same, right? Now I am going with one more example, that is 34 into 11. Yes, same procedure. Write ones place number 4 as it is. Add these two numbers and write 3 as it is. Yes. Ma'am, you may get a doubt. Is this possible only for 2 digits? No. You can do this for 3 digits, 4 digits. How much big the number is, the logic will be the same for multiplication with 11. Now I will tell you one more example. That is 352 into 11. See, if you observe, this is a 3-digit number. I think you know this place values, ones, tens and hundreds. Right? I am writing ones place as it is. Add these two numbers. 2 plus 5 plus 2, that is 7. Again add these two numbers. Because here 11 is a 2-digit number, we are adding two digits at a time. 2 as it is, 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 5 8 and 3 as it is. Yes, is it clear? Yes. Now I will go with one more technique, that is multiplication with 25. If anyone asks you to do multiplication with 25, what you will say? Oh, I don't know 25 table, right? But to reduce that fear in you, I am doing the calculation in a very simple way. Yes, I am taking a number 24 into 25. First, what we need to do is add two zeros for the given question. See here 24 is the question, right? Add two zeros for this 24 and divide this number with 4. You may get a doubt why we are dividing it with 4, right? Because when you divide 100 with 4, we are getting 25. Yes, multiplication with 25 is little bit harder when compared with division with 4. Right? That is the reason we are dividing the number with 4. Right? I think 4 table is very easy for you. Yes. For 1s are 4, for 6 are 24. Yes? 2 zeros I am writing it here. What is the answer now? 600. Is it clear? Yes. Now I am taking a number 48 into 25. Yes? Same way. Add 2 zeros for the question and divide with 4. Yes, for 1s are and for 12s are. That is 1200. You may think, ma'am has to only the even numbers but not the odd numbers. That is the reason we are very easy to divide it with 4. I will take an odd number now. Check it. Yes, see the same procedure. 35, add 2 zeros and divide with 4. Children, there is a logic that when a number should be divisible by 4 means the number should end with zeros or a number which is divisible with 4. right? That is the reason if it is odd or even number, we can divide it with 4, right? Now check it. For 1s 35. Is 35 there in 4 table? No. So what is for 8s? Yes, for 8s 32. Write 3 here. 7s 28. Write 2 here. And 5. Yes. What is the answer now? 875 is the answer. I think you understood multiplication with 25. Now we will go with multiplication with 50. And if you learn Vedic maths, there are many techniques for all the type of multiplications, and I am giving only some simple and easy techniques whatever we are having, right? Like this logics there are there for each and every multiplication, right? Now we will go for 50. I am taking a number 45 into 50. Yes. You may think 5 table is very easy, right? So this multiplication is also very easy. Add 2 zeros and divide with 2. I think you understood why we are dividing it with 2. Yes, 100 divided by 2 is 50. Yes, 2 table is a very simple and easy table because that is the first table what we are learning, right? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10, 0. 2250 is the answer. Is it clear? Yes. Now I am taking one more number, that is 56 into 50. Yes, what we need to do first? Add 2 zeros and divide with 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 and 0 0. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. Now I will do multiplication with 99. For example, if we ask our friends to multiply, if we get a chance to give a question to our friends, what we will do? A 99 number is the largest 2-digit number, so I want to give multiplication with 99. So from now onwards you will say yes, whatever the number you will give, multiplication with 99 is very easy for me to do. Yes. Now I am taking a number 84 into 99. Right, what you will think, Ammo 99 table is very hard for me to do. But I will make it very simple now. See, what is the question here? 84. Write the before number for 84. That is 83. Right? 9 minus 8 is 1. Now what I am doing here is, I am subtracting this before number from 99. That is 99 minus 83. What is the answer that we are going to get? 16. This 16 I am writing it here. So the answer is 83 16. Is it clear? Yes. 77 into 99. What is the number here? Question number 77. What is the before number for 77? That is 76. And now we need to subtract this 76 from 99. Yes. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. Is it clear? Yes. Shall I do one more with 99? 99 into 99. Yes, two biggest numbers I am taking for the 2 digits. Right. What is the before number for 99? That is 98. And 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. I think you understood the logics whatever we dealt in this class. And furthermore, we are going to give more and more sessions like this only. Yes. And to get sessions like this, please subscribe our Impact YouTube channel. Don't forget to do that. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.